Got the new tire, a 200 Shinko Stealth. Ready to go on the bike. Getting ready to go on the Silver Surfer. The old tire don't look that bad, but let's go ahead and put a new one up there. Alright, and now, so along with the tire came another package. It's actually got here, today is Tuesday. FedEx Ground doesn't deliver on Mondays, so this package actually came Monday, but nobody, well, we were at the house, but nobody heard the door knock. So yeah, let's open this one. You can see I already busted tape. And what do we have here? Oh, it's upside down. Let's see. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see it. Typhoon Q500 4K. Yes, folks, I bought a drone just in time for bike week. So hopefully we'll be able to get some aerial shots. Thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Genuine, authentic deals. But yeah, we're about to open this up. This particular eBay sale came with a backpack. It comes with an extra charger. This must be a battery. That's one battery. The other one's probably in the aircraft. We got our contents and welcome card. There's our props right there. There it is. There's the actual drone. Charger and the controller. So yeah, let's get into it. So looky here. We got the pre-Myrtle Beach prep going on. Trying to do something with these chip paint and rust spots on the truck. Trying to get it looking halfway presentable before I get on the road. So all these chip paint and rust spots and dents, these I already started with 80 grit sandpaper, and these I done started. I done already started the second run with finer grit. I got 400 grit now. This spot has already been hit with 400 grit, and these areas up here on the hood, everything else back on the truck on the other side, and here also, all of this has already gotten 80 grit treatment. You can see that right there. So yeah, now I done started with the 400 grit, and the work continues. Supposed to be pulling out tonight. Today is Wednesday, May 23rd. Sometime this evening, but you know how that goes. Well, keep working, see if I can get things done. Still got to put the tire on my bike. And that truck right there. that one's getting another engine. I won't be here for that. This engine came out of it, and this one's going in. But yeah, see if I can go ahead and get this done. All right, so here we are on the way. Finally, I'm finally on the road. The Silver Surfer is in the back of the truck. It took me a little while to get here. I left a little after 2 a.m. As you can see, the dually is two-tone now. My little amateur paint job that I did. Still got a lot of work to do. It's kind of doing. You see the door over here that was white, it's silver now. I need to go back over that sand and buff and smooth that out. Shoot it with some clear. You can tell it's a amateur paint job. That up there needs to be shot over again with some more silver and buff again. But yeah, so I stopped like twice on the way. I should be in South Carolina already. I should have got there at like 6. It is now. It's because the battery ran out. But yeah, it's like it's almost, yeah, it's 8:30. I should be in South Carolina already. Well, I'm in South Carolina now. I'm at south of the border. But I should be in Myrtle Beach already. But had to stop. I was a little tired. I didn't want to push myself trying to drive tired. But let me show y'all something pretty cool. Got me a little travel refrigerator that hooks into the 12-volt outlet. It also has a 110 hookup too, so you can use it in home or on the road, and it'll hold 12 sodas, a 12 pack of sodas. Yeah, it's pretty dope, right? Look at that. Yeah. Decent cold, not frigid cold, but it's cold enough to drink if you want a cold soda. So that's pretty nice. I got that from work. You know how you've been at the job for a long time. They give you gifts. That was you get to pick a gift from a catalog. That was my 10-year anniversary gift. You see my other snacks in there. Got a window tint over there in the floor too. Tint these windows for some privacy. But I'm about to hit the road again so I can get on to my destination. I might sit here for a few minutes and just rest. But I feel pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road and get going. So yeah, I should be about a good hour and a half away. Maybe 2 hours. Probably not 2 hours, but it's probably not 2 hours with me driving, but yeah. Oh, and this thing with this 6-position ship on 95 coming down here, I got up to, I was trying to see how high I could get it to go speed wise, and of course you see it has 100 on the speedometer. It definitely kept going past 100. It really did. So yeah, but yeah, I'm about to get rolling again.